Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something exciting, the all-new 2025 Skoda Kodiaq, a bold, refreshed SUV that's ready to shake up the segment once again. The 2025 Kodiaq is here with a sleek new design, smarter tech, and more power under the hood. From its sharper LED headlights to the bold front grille, Skoda has gone all in to make a strong first impression. Take a look at this beauty in white. The new front elevation is aggressive yet refined, and the back has been reworked for a more premium stance. And yes, that Kodiaq 2025 number plate, it tells you exactly what you're looking at, the next generation of family SUVs. Inside, Skoda steps up the game with a fully digital cockpit, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and high-quality materials that feel truly luxurious. Whether you're in the driver's seat or the back row, comfort and connectivity are top priorities. The dashboard is clean, modern, and intuitive, with every button and control within easy reach. Plus, the ambient lighting throughout the cabin gives it a more upscale feel, perfect for long journeys. Whether you're heading to work or on a weekend getaway, the Kodiaq has everything you need to stay connected and comfortable. The seats themselves are designed for long-term comfort, offering ample support with premium upholstery that feels just right. One of the standout features of the Kodiaq is its advanced infotainment system. The new Skoda Kodiaq app allows you to manage your vehicle remotely, checking things like fuel levels, tire pressure, or even locking and unlocking your car with your phone. The system also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless integration with your smartphone. And let's not forget the stunning 12.3-inch digital display. Not only does it look sleek, but it's also incredibly functional, offering a customizable layout that puts everything from navigation to vehicle settings at your fingertips. Under the hood, expect a range of efficient petrol, diesel, and hybrid powertrains, tuned for performance and lower emissions. Skoda is known for its balance between power and practicality, and the 2025 Kodiaq is no exception. Whether you're looking for a reliable family SUV or something that can handle a bit more of an adventure, this Kodiaq has you covered with various engine options to suit your driving needs. You'll also find an advanced all-wheel drive system for better handling and traction in different conditions. Skoda has also focused on reducing the environmental impact with hybrid versions, allowing you to drive cleaner and more efficiently without sacrificing power. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling tougher terrain, the Kodiaq offers impressive performance across the board. Need space? The new Kodiaq offers up to 7 seats, flexible cargo capacity, and clever storage solutions. Perfect for families and adventurers alike. With the seats folded down, you get a massive boot, ideal for carrying everything from sports equipment to luggage. The third-row seats are now easier to fold, making it even more practical when you need extra space on the go. This is an SUV designed for families who need versatility without sacrificing style or luxury. The interior also features configurable storage areas like a large glove box and multiple cup holders, making it ideal for longer road trips when you need to keep everything organized. The 2025 Kodiaq also brings a slew of new driver assistance features. Skoda has made safety a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Kodiaq is now smarter than ever, helping you stay aware of your surroundings and making your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Additionally, Skoda has implemented a more advanced parking assistance system, including a 360-degree camera that gives you a bird's-eye view of your vehicle and its surroundings. Parking in tight spaces or parallel parking has never been easier. For decided families who often travel together, the Kodiaq offers plenty of entertainment options to keep everyone occupied. The rear seats come equipped with USB ports, allowing your passengers to charge their devices, and the optional rear entertainment system with tablets mounted to the back of the front seats is perfect for keeping kids entertained on long journeys. There's even an option for a panoramic sunroof, letting in more light and giving the cabin an open, airy feel. One of the most exciting things about the 2025 Kodiaq is its off-road capability. Skoda has made sure that this vehicle is not just about looking good on the road, it's ready for adventure. The Kodiaq comes with an off-road mode that adjusts the vehicle's settings to make tackling rough terrain a breeze. Whether you're driving through muddy trails, sandy dunes, or snowy conditions, the Kodiaq's advanced all-wheel